Let's go, guys. This is Vauxhall TV. Team R for you all, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what we're doing this time around is I've got a Vauxhall Meriva 2010 60 plate Vauxhall Meriva, and we're going to go ahead and replace the front wishbones. Okay, I've already done one side. The passenger side UK is done. I'm going to do the driver's side. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Dead easy. You can do it outside on the floor, no problem whatsoever. Plus, I like this car. Because, you know, if you want a Rolls Royce in your life, okay, and you can't afford a Rolls Royce, which I can't afford, most of the people out there can't afford a Rolls Royce Phantom, buy one of these Merivas. It's got the suicide doors on it. Anyway, let's go, guys. Okay, as you can see there, I've took the brake disc and everything off. It's because I'm going to change the rotors and everything, but so that's another job. Don't look into that. What we're going to do is we're going to change the wishbone, the suspension arm. First things first, we're going to take the ball joint pinch bolt off. 18mm, I've already slackened it, started taking it off, so we'll take it off fully. Right, leave it like that for now. Don't knock that out just yet. Okay, we'll leave it like that. We're going to go ahead and go to this side. Take this bolt off, 18mm nut on bolt. Goes through there. Get a spanner on this side. Socket on this side. Take that off. Same with this one as well. Boom, there we go. One there. 18mm there. Nut on bolt. Take them two off. And we'll go from there. So as you can see there, I've got the spanner on one side. 18mm spanner on one side. Socket on the other side with the ratchet. I'm just going to take that off. Happy days, that'll come off. I'm going to do the same on the back one as well, and hopefully this wishbone should come off. Okay, for the back one, I've got two spanners on there. One normal spanner, I mean you can do it with a normal spanner, it'll take you longer obviously. One normal spanner and one ratchet spanner, 18mm, and we're going to go ahead and take that off. I mean you can't really get it wrong. Let's go ahead and take that off. Okay, we've got that bolt off. We've got this bolt off as well. Next thing for us is we're going to go ahead and just knock this off. I've already turned it on this side. Okay, 18mm socket. Turned it, so I know it's nice and free. So all I'm going to do is just knock it off. Little hammer. Get a little screwdriver and just push that through. And then we'll go from there. Okay, the next job for us is what we're going to do is we need to get the ball joint out from there. For that is we're just going to have to spread the hub a little bit. So I've got a little pry bar there. I'm going to put it in this gap here. Just make it out there, just there. There's a little gap there. Just knock that in there, and then the ball joint should just fly out, and then hopefully we can just take the wishbone off. So first things first, let's just knock that in there, and I'll get back at you guys. Okay, so there we have it. As you can see there, I've knocked the pry bar into that gap there, into the hub. Okay, so as you can see, the ball joint's coming off anyway. So if we just give it a little more tap, give it a little hit with the hammer. There we go, that comes off. We'll take the pry bar out of there. And what we do with the pry bar, obviously you get two hands on it. Just pry the wishbone out totally. Hold it with the other hand, else it's going to fall. And hit your toes or fall onto your toes, which is not very good unless you have steel toe caps. And yeah, that's it. Wishbone should come straight out. Actually, shall we just do it? Shall I just take it off and let it drop on the floor? Let's go. Actually, no. There we go. I've took it off. One wishbone off. Let's get the new one on. Let's do it. Okay, there it is. There's the new one. Brand spanking new one. I'm going to get that on in reverse order. In there. I mean, you can't really get it wrong. The same way we took it off. We'll put it back on. Let's go. Okay guys, I've got the wishbone on, as you can see there. I've got the wishbone on. I'm tightening up on the ball joint here, 18mm, like I mentioned. Same way we took it off. As you can see there, I've put the ball on the back there. This one's on as well. I'm just going to tighten it up, all in reverse order. And that's about it. Let's finish it off. Wishbone is back on and everything. The bolts are back in. I mean, same way you took it off. It's dead easy. 18 mils, all of them are 18 millis, unless somebody's changed them in the past, right, and put a 19 mil on, right. But if it's not a 19 mil, they all should be 18 mils. Anyway, let's tighten up on them and let's finish the job off. Okay guys, so there we have it. The wishbone is back on. I know I didn't show you how to put it back on. It's exactly the same way we took it off. Just get the bolts on. Pinch bolt here, one 80mm bolt there, nut and bolt. Okay, one there, exactly the same way. It's not rocket science, dead easy. Let's go. Well, that's it guys, that's how we replace the wishbone, front wishbone, suspension arm on a Vauxhall Meriva 2010 60 plate. Not the hardest job in the world, dead easy. Get it on the actual stand, jack it up, make sure it's nice and safe, it'll be good to go. Dead easy job. I mean, it's 3 bolts basically. One pinch bolt, 2 18mm bolts, and that's it. Wishbone comes off. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Don't slag me off. Raoul TV, Team R for you. I'll try and hook you guys up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R for you. Well, your favourite YouTube mechanic. We'll see you guys next time.